Alright, so today I'm going to make some gray underglaze. So I have some white underglaze and I have some black underglaze. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix these two together to make gray. So with underglazes, it's really, for the most part, that easy. It's just using your color theory. With other glazes, it's not about color theory so much as it's about your chemistry. So this is just a video of me making up some gray. I think in my last video I made up purple with some stain. So this is just mixing underglaze and underglaze. And there's going to be a lot more white to black. Black is a very strong color. So I'm going to start with this amount. And with the white, there's, let's see, about ½ an inch of white underglaze in here. And I'm just going to stir them together. And it's just by eye. So I can start to see that it's graying up a little bit. And then you're just going to continue to add black until you get the gray that you want. You definitely want to make sure you have it all mixed up before you add more of the black. So I'm going to go ahead and add a bit more black, and I'm just going to use another brush so not to put the white back into the black. So I'm going to take about the same amount that I did from the first time and add it in. And what I'm trying to do is do it on the side so that I can use this again if I need to and not contaminate it with the white. So you can definitely see it's starting to get darker. And I'm just trying to find that clump of black and get it broken up and mixed into this white. All right, so I have this all mixed up. It's a pretty light gray. If I wanted to go darker, I would add some more black. But I think actually for what I'm working on, this is the perfect gray. And so just to show you, this is the white. And this is the gray. So you can see that there is a difference here.